Hello and welcome to the JB&M Sports Fanatic. Thank you guys so much for tuning in here. And so we've got some news from the Chargers linebacker Kenneth Murray. He's getting an MRI now, but it sounds like a rolled ankle is what they're thinking based on the initial words sources said. And so they're saying, of course, you know how practice injuries, are never good, but this doesn't figure to be as bad as it sounded is what they're saying. So obviously, if that's the case, then yeah, that means he's got a little lucky there. But I don't know the speculation in terms of what timeline we could be looking for. But yeah, definitely was saying it doesn't sound like the worst case scenario, but it sounds like a rolled ankle based on the initial word. Of course, they're getting an MRI now, so that means that at some point we will have an update. And when we have that update, you guys can for sure find out not just that news, but other news around the league in terms of just, injury news or just sport news in general for football, basketball, all that stuff here on this channel. So make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel for sure. But Kenneth Murray, so far, what has he done in his young career? I mean, he was a first-round draft pick going back to the 2020 NFL draft. The Chargers took him 23rd overall out of Oklahoma. And yeah, he's been making plays for them since he's been here. Looking at what he did last year, he had 107 tackles over the course of starting all 16 games last year. He had 3 pass deflections as well and 1 sack. This year, he's already had 19 tackles in just 3 games. So he's definitely someone that flies around to the football. And you hate to see guys get hurt in general, especially in practice. But definitely, it doesn't sound like this is going to be as bad as it could have been. So that's definitely a positive news right there. But we're going to find out just how positive sometime in the near future for sure. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for joining me and see you guys next video.